divisible into sub-problems. So that is the drawback of divide and conquer strategy. If problems are not divisible, it cannot be solved by using divide and conquer strategy. That drawback is overcome in the greedy method. So in greedy method, we are solving the optimization problems. Optimization problems. Optimization problem means one problem is having multiple solutions. One problem is having multiple solutions. Suppose shortest path is there. From source to destination, there are multiple ways are there. Which one is shortest? Which path is shortest one? That we are selecting as the optimal solution. So any optimization problem consists of two types of solutions. One is feasible solution. Second one is optimal solution. So feasible solution means for any problem, whatever the possible solutions are there, that is called as the feasible solutions. Suppose shortest path you are taking. From source to destination, there are suppose 3 to 4 multiple paths are there. So that is called as the feasible solution. From among that, which one is leading to the shortest path? That is called as the optimal solution. So feasible solution means whatever the possible solutions are there, those solutions are called as the feasible solutions. And optimal solution means from among those feasible solutions, either maximum value or minimum value, depends on situation, we are taking it as optimal solution. For example, maximize objective function z equal to 3x plus 4. Maximize objective function z equal to 3x plus 4y. This problem cannot be divisible into smaller problems. Okay, in this input set is given, input set is -4, -4. These are the input values. This is the x value, this is y value, this is the x value, this is the y value. Like this input set consists of these are the values. And there are some constraints are there. X is lies between -1 to 1. That means x value equal to -1, 0 and 1. And y is between 0 and 1. So that means y equal to 0 and 1. Okay. So here maximize the given objective function means here z equal to 3x plus 4y. Suppose if you are applying this one, -3 plus 0, that is -3. Like this, if you are applying this one, 3 comma 3 will give the more value. 3 into 3 is 9 plus 4 into 3, 12. 9 plus 12, 21. Okay, so 3 through 3 comma 3 is actually giving the maximum value, but 3 comma 3 is not satisfying our constraint. Why? Because x value should be -1, 0, 1, or y value should be 0 and 1. Here if you apply 3 comma 3, you are getting maximum value, but it is not satisfying our constraint. And even 2 comma 2 also not satisfying our constraint, and -4 comma 4 also not satisfying our constraint. Only these are our feasible solutions. Why? Because these x values are -1, 0 and 1, y values are 0 and 1. only these values are satisfying our constraints. So these input values are called as feasible solution. These input values are called as feasible solution. What is our objective is maximize the given objective function. So these are the feasible solutions. From these feasible solutions, which value is giving maximum value? When you are applying 1 comma 1, then z equal to 3 plus 4, that is 7 will come, maximum value. So 1 comma 1 is the optimal solution. 1 comma 1 is optimal solution. So here our objective is z equal to 3x plus 4y, maximize the objective value. In this 2, 2, 3, 3 and minus 4 and 4 are there, but these are eliminated. Why? Because these are not satisfying our constraints. So feasible solutions is from the given input set, what are the input values are satisfying our constraints. Those input values called as the feasible solutions. So these are the feasible solutions. Here x value is minus 1, 0, 1, y value is 0 and 1. Okay. So these are the from these feasible solutions, maximum value which set is giving 1 comma 1 is giving. That's why this is called as the optimal solution. 1 comma 1 is the optimal solution. So here greedy method, what type of problems we are solving? Optimization problems we are solving. Optimization problem consists of feasible solution and optimal solution. Feasible solution means whatever the possible solutions are there, those are comes under feasible solution. From those feasible solutions, which one is leading to the our goal, that will considered as the optimal solution. That is either maximum value or minimum value. Here in this example we are going for maximum value. Suppose if you want to go for minimum value, we can go for minimum value also. Now how to write the algorithm for greedy method. So in this greedy method, what we are doing, from the given input set, we are selecting only which inputs are satisfying our constraints. Those input values we are taking it as feasible solutions. From those feasible solutions, which one is leading to our aim, that will taking it as optimal solution. So for this we are writing algorithm. Algorithm consists of heading and body. Algorithm, name of the procedure is greedy method. Okay. Array A for storing the input values, and how many values are there? N values are there. So these are the parameter list. You can write comments also. A of 1 to n is array of inputs. So in this feasible solution we have to find out. Feasible solution means which input values are leading to which input values are satisfying our constraints. So solution equal to 0. First we have to initialize solution equal to 0. Next, array A consists of different types of, suppose z equal to 3x plus 4y. In this previous example we seen, in this input values are minus 1 0, minus 1 1, 0 1, 1 1, okay, and 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, minus 4 comma 4, and 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0. These are the values are there. Okay, this is the given input set. So solution equal to 0. So A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, A of 6, A of 7, like that. A of n are there. So for I equal to 1 to n or 0 to n minus 1. For I equal to 1 to n, A of 1, A of 2 up to so and so, A of n. In this, each and every value we are checking. X value is, suppose x lies between -1 and 1, and y value is 0 and 1. Suppose given constraint. In this, x equal to select of A. So this array value we are selecting. That means first input value we are selecting and we are checking whether this input value is satisfying our constraints or not. Yes, satisfying. If it is feasible, solution comma means whatever the value we are picking. Okay, if it is feasible solution, then that input value we have to add to the feasible solution. So solution equal to solution union x. Okay, so next again another value we are picking and we are checking whether it is satisfying. Why we are writing feasible means that depends on problem. There are multiple problems are there. So that's why we can't specify the constraints. That depends on problem whether it is feasible or not. So if it is feasible, it is added to the feasible solution. Otherwise, it is rejected. Okay. So we are not specifying the optimal solution. Thus, the optimal solution is it is varies from problem to problem. Suppose if you are taking knapsack problem, problems will be varying. So there we have to find out maximum profit. If you are going for shortest path, you have to find the minimum distance. So some cases you are finding the maximum value, some cases you are finding the minimum value. So we can't define the optimal solution for all problem. Means we cannot define the optimal solution for in algorithm. So that depends on problem. It is varying again and again. So that is the. So here greedy method array A of 1 to is consists of input values and we are initializing feasible solution, and here input value starting from 1 ending at n, that we are specifying. One by one input value we are picking, that x equal to select of A. If it is feasible solution, then solution equal to solution union x, else we have to reject. Means these are the values we are rejecting. So this is the algorithm. So what are the applications of this greedy method? What are the applications of greedy method means? First one is knapsack problem. Second one is job sequencing with deadline. Third one is minimum cost spanning tree. And fourth one is shortest path. So these are the applications of the greedy method. All these problems are optimization problems. Each and every problem consists of multiple problems. Okay, we will discuss later. Stop. अच्छा है, हो गया एक बार देखेंगे इसको.